All right, well, in our last video, Cambue, we showed you the power of scenarios and how you can get snapshots of, what your company is costing you per month and add new employees and add new expenses. Now, in this video, we're going to cover what's called expense splitting or expense groups. So up until now, we've been putting some group expenses down here at the bottom. And what's been happening is you can see these are getting evenly divided among the employees here, right? So, the company car, we split that among everybody. The billing system, we split that among everybody. And the second company car, we split that among everybody. But let's say you have, some expenses that only apply to certain people. How do you deal with that? Well, that's where groups comes in. Okay, so I'm going to click on groups here and set up some new groups here. So let's say we have a sales group. And let's say we have a group of engineers. And let's say we have a marketing group, okay? And these are really customizable in any way you want. You can think of groups as a way to segregate your employees into groups. Okay, so now that you have the group set up, you can head over to the scenarios, and you can start using those groups in your scenarios. So let's say John and Jane here actually are marketers. So what we can do is we can unlock those, and we can assign them to the marketing group. There we go. So they're assigned to the marketing group. And let's say we want to invest in some email marketing software for them. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a blank entry here. And we're going to edit that blank entry and we'll call it, marketing software. And let's say that costs us $30 per month. And what we're going to do is we're going to say that marketing software only applies, we only want to split that among the marketing employees. So we just select marketing there. And we'll lock that. And then as you can see, the group expenses for that marketing software only got added to John and Jane. Because Jill and the new employee are not part of the marketing software, we're only going to split that among John and Jane. So this is a really powerful tool that you guys can use to basically do any kind of fine-tune splitting up. And then that way you get a real true cost of what it's like. How your marketers are, how much your marketers are costing you, how much your engineers are costing you, how much your designers are costing you, and so on and so forth. By default, if you leave the group blank, it will be split among all the group expenses. All right, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy using Cambue.